Welcome to Fruit Tracker, the record-keeping and orchard management system that helps growers with crop production and food and worker safety. In this video, I'm going to show you the basics of Fruit Tracker. I will demonstrate how to enter spray information, generate spray reports, and record other production-related activities. The first screen you will see once logged in is the dashboard. The dashboard is the starting point where you can review summaries of events that have been recorded previously, as well as record new events and generate reports. Along the top of the screen is the menu bar. It follows you as you scroll down and will always be at the top of the screen if you need it. Let's start by exploring the top right menu labeled Farm Manager. Under the Farm Manager menu, you will find various reference and administrative activities your account has permissions for. Let's check our field map. Your field map has been generated for you using map data provided by Agricore. Every night we download a secure file from Agricore's systems and incorporate any changes into Fruit Tracker. This means that you don't have to spend time setting up your maps since it's done for you automatically. If you see problems with the maps, then please contact the board office to get them straightened out. Agricore may need to come out and do some additional mapping for you so that you can make the most out of Fruit Tracker. You can rename your blocks if you have a different naming convention than what is already established. To rename your blocks, just scroll to the bottom of the field map page and click the Edit button. Now enter your new orchard, block, and row names. Scroll to the bottom and click Update. Now let's explore the chemical list. Use the menu at the top right under Farm Manager and locate and select Chemicals. This page shows a full listing of chemicals that are registered for use on your crops for your region. Your chemical list has been populated from OMAFRA's Publication 360 Guide to Fruit Production. Every week we update Fruit Tracker with the latest chemical labels from Health Canada. From here you may choose to download, view, or print them at any time. You can also see the details of each chemical and its properties as it pertains to your crops. On the Chemical Details page, we see the registration number, active ingredients, chemical family, formulation, as well as information about its producers. This page also shows other information from the label such as pre-harvest interval, re-entry interval, and maximum recommended number of treatments. Chemical label information is organized in an easy-to-read chart separated by crop. If your account has permissions, you will also see a Track Chemical Inventory at the bottom of each chemical detail page. This is how you alert the system that you want to start tracking your inventory for this chemical. When you use this chemical during a spray, the amount you used can be automatically deducted from your inventory. To begin tracking this chemical, I'll click Track Chemical Inventory. Now I'll enter the date purchased and other information including amount and unit or total cost. I can make new deposits or manual withdrawals for this chemical from my inventory screen. You can navigate to this page using the Farm Manager menu in the top right corner and selecting Chemical Inventory. Now when you record a spray, the amount of chemical you used will be withdrawn automatically from your inventory. Now let's take a look at the Treatment Templates section. You can find it under the Farm Manager menu in the top right. The treatment templates are a set of recommendations that includes a handy search feature. In my case, I'm looking for a treatment on my peaches for red mite. Using the search options at the top of the Treatment Templates page, I can easily narrow down my choices. The results show treatment recommendations that meet my search criteria and indicate the chemical, rate, pests, and growth stages each treatment is recommended for. Select the treatment you want and click Apply to begin generating a spray record. Now I will enter additional details about this treatment that will be added to my records. I'll enter the date. Notice how the target disease and growth stage is already selected for me. The system has also set the appropriate tank mix for this treatment template. Now I'll enter some weather information and click Next. On this screen, I'll click on the blocks where I've applied my treatment and click Next. Here I will double check that my tank mix has the correct chemicals, rates, and units. Now I will enter some information about my sprayer, including the total output rate, calibration date, and sprayer method of application. The system has calculated a PHI for me based on the spray date I entered and the tank mix. I'll click to be notified by email and text message to my cell phone when this date has passed. Confirm that the calculated PHI date is correct for your tank mix and click Next. On the final screen, I will confirm the total amount of chemical that I used. In brackets is the calculated amount based on my rate and the areas that I said I treated. Enter any comments or notes you have, and click Save. That's it. Our selected treatment template is now applied as a spray record. Now let's explore the reporting system. Depending on your user's permissions, you will see some basic spray-related reports, including chemical use, pest treatments, PHI, REI, max spray applications, and a basic spray report. You may also have access to GAP-related reports. Let's take a look at the basic spray report. On the side of this page, you will see a set of filters used to generate the report. This is consistent amongst all of the reports in the system. The basic spray report allows you to filter your results by date range, crop growth stage, target pest, chemical, and area. I'll narrow my choices to a specific block and hit Apply. Now I can export my report to a PDF file which I can print, save on my computer, or email to someone directly from the system. The chemical use report allows you to see the amount of each chemical used, as well as where and when it was applied. I'll filter by date, target pest, and area, then email the result directly. The block PHI REI report shows you the PHI REI for each area of your orchard and tells you the reason why. Thank you for taking the time to learn more about Fruit Tracker. We are continually improving the system with new features and functionality, mobile apps, and integration with other systems. Fruit Tracker is built by grower feedback and suggestions, and yours is always welcome. To send us your feedback, please use the Contact Us link found on fruittracker.com.